A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark ruling late Friday, a federal appeals court has dealt a significant blow to President Trump's trade agenda by striking down his sweeping tariffs. The U.S. Court of Appeals for the Federal Circuit ruled in a 7-4 decision that the president overstepped his authority under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEPA, of 1977. This ruling affirms a lower court's decision and raises critical questions about the extent of presidential power in shaping U.S. trade policy. The court's majority opinion emphasized that the IEPA does not explicitly authorize the imposition of tariffs, which has been a cornerstone of Trump's economic strategy during his second term. The implications of this ruling are profound, as it not only challenges Trump's unilateral approach to trade, but also sets the stage for a potential Supreme Court battle over the scope of presidential authority. The decision comes at a time when tariffs have been a focal point of U.S. foreign policy, with Trump using them as leverage to renegotiate trade agreements and exert political pressure on key trading partners. The court's ruling is expected to remain in effect through mid-October, allowing the Trump administration time to appeal to the Supreme Court. However, the judges have made it clear that only Congress has the authority to impose tariffs, fundamentally questioning the legality of Trump's economic maneuvers. This legal battle is not just about tariffs. It represents a broader confrontation between the executive and legislative branches over trade policy. As the nation watches closely, the outcome of this case could reshape the future of U.S. trade relations and the balance of power within the government. In response to the ruling, President Trump took to social media to express his discontent, claiming that the tariffs are essential for protecting American workers and manufacturers. He argued that removing the tariffs would lead to a total disaster for the country and vowed to fight the decision. As the legal proceedings unfold, the economic ramifications of this ruling are likely to be felt across various sectors, particularly in industries heavily impacted by tariffs. The court's decision not only affects Trump's trade policies, but also raises questions about the precedent it sets for future administrations. With the Supreme Court potentially stepping in, the legal landscape surrounding trade policy in the U.S. could be on the brink of significant change. This ruling marks a pivotal moment in the ongoing debate over the role of the presidency in economic matters and the limits of executive power. As we approach the Labor Day weekend, the implications of this decision will undoubtedly resonate throughout the political landscape, influencing discussions on trade, economic strategy, and the future of U.S. foreign relations. The stakes are high, and the nation awaits the next chapter in this unfolding legal saga. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.